Right, as we speak about Mumbai, let me tell you that as far as the admit card row is concerned, nobody did actually report this, or it didn't reach to the authorities here. And we have time and again spoken to bunch of NEET, aspiring students. They have already appeared for NEET, remember, on May 3rd. And after this entire controversy which stirred around, and NEET re-examination is again taking place on 21st of June. Having said that, just a short while back before coming live ahead with NewsX, we spoke to NEET exam students, those who will be appearing. Of course, there's sense of tension among them, and there's one fear, of course, lingering in their mind, whether this time the paper authenticity is being intact, or again there would be some sort of problem that would be taking place. With this, let me quickly also give you a brief about what sort of arrangements have been done for these students. Let me begin with Railways end. Western Railway has they have commissioned 2 new trains, and these new trains will be only for NEET re-examination, those the students, those who are appearing for that. Remember, from Bandra to Maninagar, and then from Bandra to Ambedkar Nagar, 2 special trains are being run with more than 13 desks where the helpline centers are being provided in the Western patch. Apart from this, the Western Railway also spoke to us, stating that how adequate water is being kept, and all the help desks are around. Most importantly, as on Sundays, Western Railway as well as Central Railway goes on mega block in the MMR region, but this time the Western Railway has cancelled its mega block. With this, if you remember, just a week back, in fact, the DGP office Maharashtra had issued a circular for the students that people, those who are appearing for NEET re-examination, should not pay heed to any kind of rumors, and they should refrain themselves from getting into in contact with any group, those who are luring you or telling you that we would be providing you with any sort of papers. They also stated that the heavy monitoring is being done from DGP Maharashtra's end, and police deployment will be there at the NEET examination centers. So as we speak about Mumbai or Maharashtra as a whole, the preparations are done. They have been time and again saying that they are closely monitoring the situation. However, the students remain to be tense, and the students, remember, this is their within a within a span of 1.5 months, this is their second time where they are reappearing for the NEET re-examination. Remember, 2 years it takes for students to prepare for the examination, and of course, the last time's data, which was more than 22 lakh students who appeared for the NEET examination on May 3rd. We do not know the stats that how many students will be appearing nationwide for the re-examination. So clearly,
Shweta, are there people around you that you could speak with and bring their voices to us?
Well, we are near a coaching center, but however, let me tell you, they have ended their classes, and they did not really actually wanted to wait for us to express themselves. But yes, before coming live, they were speaking to us, and they did inform us that how tense they are. The foremost problem what these students, those who are appearing for the NEET re-examination, is they have been saying that first, after giving the examination, they felt that it is stress-free now. They can only wait and anticipate for the better results, and some of them had actually given very, very good exam. But here, reappearing has made them go into the loop again. And many students, while we were interacting, they clearly stated that it is something that they are being bothered.
All right. Thank you, Shweta, and thank you, Brian, Bailey, and Prasant, for joining us on this. And with that, viewers, let's move ahead.